Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change a drop-down menu on Shopify. I am on the home page of my Shopify store and I am in admin mode. And over on the left-hand side of the screen, I'm going to go down to Online Store and click the little eyeball. And up here you can see I have a drop-down menu with tank tops and a tab for colorful tank tops. From here, I'm going to go back down to Online Store and down to Navigation. And in the menu section, I'm going to go over to my main menu because that's where my tank tops drop-down menu is. Click on that. And here, shifted to the right underneath the tank top section is the colorful tank top section. So right here, I can go ahead and add another item. I'm going to go ahead and do black tank tops. And after I type in a name for that, I'm going to go ahead and link my actual product under my products, and I'll select that black tank top. Right, and I'm going to save everything. And as you can see under here, now I have another tab with, instead of just colorful tank tops, one with black tank tops as well. So once that's all saved, I'm going to go back to my online store. And right here, I'm going to test it out. So it's not showing up. That's not uncommon. I did just make these changes. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh a couple times. And if not, I'll refresh my original Shopify page. Go back into my online store. And here, now you can see that the new tab is added to my drop-down menu. So if you need to change a drop-down menu on your Shopify store, this is how you can do that.